What is React? A beginner's introduction. Are you curious about React but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll explain React in the simplest way possible. Just what you need to know to get started. React is a JavaScript library created by Facebook to build user interfaces, especially for web applications. It helps you create reusable components, making your code more efficient and easier to manage. Think of React like blocks. Instead of building your app as one big block, you create smaller, reusable blocks called components and put them together to build amazing UIs. Benefits of using React. Reusable components. Faster updates with virtual DAM. Great for dynamic and interactive apps. First, it lets you create reusable components, so you can avoid rewriting the same code. Second, React uses something called a virtual DAM, which makes updates lightning fast. And lastly, it's perfect for dynamic apps like dashboards, social media feeds, or e-commerce stores. How React works. HTML structure, JavaScript logic, React DAM updates. When something changes in your app, React doesn't directly update the entire web page. Instead, it updates a virtual version of the page first, figures out the smallest changes needed, and then updates only those parts. This makes React super fast. What can you build with React? With React, you can build pretty much anything: single-page websites, interactive dashboards, mobile apps, using React Native, or even large-scale web applications like Instagram or Netflix. Getting started is easy. All you need is a code editor, Node.js install, and a simple command like this. npx create React app. I'll cover this in detail in another video, so stay tuned.